今期の失敗には価値がある。 Oh, I forgot my glasses. Here we go. What's up mga hitsuraan, mga choy, mga chay? This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw and welcome back to HK Tutorials, and today you will learn how to greet your friends, your colleagues, and your classmates in Japanese. So today's lesson is about aisatsu, greetings. Okay, so let's get into it. Come on. Okay, so let's open Microsoft Paint. Okay, so today's lesson is aisatsu, greetings. So greetings is aisatsu. Aisatsu. Okay, so how you write good morning in Japanese? O ha yo go zai mas. Ohayo gozaimasu. So how you write good afternoon in Japanese? Ko ni chi wa. Simple. Next, how you write good evening in Japanese? That's kon ban wa. Okay, konbanwa. How you write good night? O ya su mi na sai. Oyasumi nasai. Goodbye. In Japanese, sa yo nara. Sayonara. So when you leave the house, you will say in Japanese, chichai te ite ki mas. Ite kimasu. Goodbye, saying to the person leaving. Okay, that's I chichai te ite ra chichai shai. Chichai ya shai. Ite rashai. I'm back home. In Japanese, you'll say tadaima. Ta da I ma. Tadaima. Okay, how about welcome home? So that's o ka ri na sai. Okaeri nasai. Congratulations is o me de to go zai mas. Omedetou gozaimasu. How you write thank you very much? That's do mo ari ga to go zai mas. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. You are welcome is simple. Do I ta shi ma shi te. Doi tashimashite. How you say I'll be leaving ahead of you? So that's o sa ki ni shi tsu re shi masu. Saki ni shitsurei shimasu. Please take care. Okay, so how you say please take care? That's ki o tsu ke te ku da sai. Ki o tsukete kudasai. Okay, so how you say thank you before eating? That's in Japanese, I ta da ki masu. Itadakimasu. Okay? Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Thank you after eating. Let's go. Chi. So. Sa. Ma. Deshita. Gochiso sama deshita. So how you say be well? Simple. That's o gen ki de. Ogenki de. How you say excuse me? In Japanese, that's shi tsu re shi masu. Shitsurei shimasu. Shitsurei shimasu. Alright or okay in Japanese, that's dai. Dai. Jo. Jo. Bu. Desu. Daijoubu desu. I'm sorry. Okay? How you say that? So there are two types of I'm sorry. First one is go me na sai. Go minasai. Minasai. The another one is su mi ma sen. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Gomenasai. Sumimasen. So that's it. That's the 20 important isets that you have to learn first in order to learn Japanese language. So I hope you guys got that one too, and see you again in the next tutorial. This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw signing off. Peace.